Oh, thank God, we are near to our destination now. So, here we are. Wow, these blocks are looking good. Oh, what is this? Green car. Very nice. Please hurry up. We have to deliver them at construction site urgently.
Someone was talking about magic road that is being built. I have to go there too.
I think there is magic in these blocks too. Builders were talking about constructing a magic route. We will see. Please load my trolley quickly.
Woo! Hello, I'm here too. Please load my truck with sand urgently. Hello, please do it quickly. We have to reach the construction site urgently.
Okay, no worries. We are almost done.
Oh, I am super tired, and they are sending me again to load my truck with rocks. My God. Hey man, please do it fast. I'm super tired. I have to go. Oh, there is magic in these rocks too.
Builders were calling again and again. They are in super hurry to build a magic route. Well, I'm curious what it would be like. Thank God. Oh no. I really have to pass through that magic route.
Hurry up, please. Cars will be here in no time.
Wow, this magic wall is so beautifully done. Very nice. Great job. Well done. Let's see what happens. OMG, what's happening?
Oh, I'm excited to pass from this route. Gosh, where am I going?
Wow, I got the stamps too. Oh
Hey, where are you taking me? Please, let's take another path. Oh, damn.
Let's see how builders made this magic route. Oh my god, who is taking me up?
Oh my god. God, please send all the vehicles back. Where are they gone? I'm surprised. I think that magic route has taken them to another dimension. But I'm curious to know.
Thank God I'm back. Let's get past for this route as soon as possible.
I'm finally back. Thank goodness I made it. Bye forever to this route.
Thank the heavens, I returned in one piece.
Thank God we made it. We will not come back to this route again.
Damn, it was a horrible experience. I won't come here again.
Oh, I'm not in my senses.
Thank God we are done with our duties. Oh my God, it was a very hectic day.